Traveling without mobile data can turn any trip into a hassle, from trying to find directions to booking a ride or simply staying in touch. Being offline while traveling just isn't an option anymore. That's exactly why I switched to eSIMS, and after testing several options, Saily eSIM quickly became one of my favorites. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at how it works, what makes it different, and why it might be the perfect choice for your next trip. And by the way, you can grab an exclusive discount using the Saily coupon link in the pinned comment below. Definitely worth checking out if you're planning to travel soon. So, what is Saily? It's a digital SIM app that lets you connect to mobile data instantly without needing a physical SIM card. Everything happens directly on your phone. You simply choose your plan, activate it, and you're connected. Saily works in over 200 countries, making it extremely convenient for travelers moving between destinations. The pricing is flexible too, so you can pick single country plans or broader regional options depending on your trip. When choosing a plan, Saily offers two main categories under all destinations. The first one is country, which gives you access to over 200 individual countries, ideal for single destination travel. The second one is region, covering larger areas such as Africa, Asia, and Oceania, the Caribbean islands, Europe, global, Latin America, the Middle East and North Africa, and North America. For even more benefits, there's also Saily Ultra, a premium upgrade that includes travel perks like airport lounge access, fast-track security, advanced tools like NordVPN and NordPass, priority support, virtual location switching, ad blocking, web protection, and even up to 8% cashback for future trips. Using Saily is quick and simple. Instead of wasting time at the airport searching for a SIM card, you can set it all up before you travel in just a few minutes. First, choose your Saily data plan. Just select the country or region you're heading to and pick the plan that suits you best. Then, download the Saily app and follow the on-screen instructions. The setup only takes a few taps, and once the eSIM is installed, you're ready to go. Your plan automatically activates as soon as you land at your destination or within 30 days of purchase, so you'll never lose connection while traveling. Saily eSIM works globally, allowing you to change your virtual location to access region-locked content and use your apps safely abroad. It also includes built-in web protection to guard against phishing and an ad blocker that removes intrusive ads and saves mobile data. In short, Saily is an easy, reliable, and affordable way to stay connected wherever you go. And with Saily Ultra, you can enjoy even more travel advantages. Don't forget, you can claim your exclusive discount today by using the link in the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.